What's up, guys? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Iptv SmartOS Pro on your Hisense VA Smart TV. This should work for any Hisense TV. Before the video starts, if you need a free trial for Iptv SmartOS Pro, please contact us via the WhatsApp number in the description below or visit our website. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store on your smart TV. Navigate to the horizontal list of apps and scroll to the end until you find the Hisense Video SMTV App Store. Open the App Store. Next, go to the top search bar and search for Iptv or SmartOS Pro. You'll see the Iptv SmartOS Pro app. Click on it to go to the installation page. Click OK to install it. Once installed, the app will be added to your homepage. Open the Iptv SmartOS Pro app from there, or find it in the list of apps on your Hisense TV. Finally, log in with your username and password. That's it. Now you know how to download and install Iptv SmartOS Pro on your Hisense VA Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.